Hi guys, today we'll show you how to replace the wiper blade insert. First of all, we have to remove the wiper blade itself. You can use a screwdriver to open this lock and then simply pull off the windshield wiper. Here it is. So we'll show you guys. On one side we have this thick part here, and on the other side it is narrow. So what we need to do now is simply pull off the insert by pulling on the thicker part. Then it will come off. Pull it off all the way. I'll show you guys one more time. This is the wiper blade itself, and this is the insert. Again, on this side we have this thicker part on this end, and on this end it is narrow. The next step will be to remove the metallic strips inside the insert. There are two of them, one on each side. These allow the insert to keep its shape. So remove one from the left side and one from the right. We suggest to do it all at once when you see all the parts and put them like this. This way you won't make mistake when you use the new insert. You will see two notches on each metallic strip, and these get installed on the thicker part of the insert. Besides that, you will see that the metallic strip has a slight bend to it, as I said before, and it correlates to the curve on the wiper blade itself. This allows the insert to properly clean the windshield, and this is exactly how you have to install it. The metallic plates will be inserted in this groove on the bottom of the rubber, like this, one on this side and the second one on the other side. Again, notches have been installed where you see this thicker part. Put it in all the way, and now we can reinstall the insert in the blade. Now we're using the upper groove to secure the insert. Slide it in all the way, and now you have to push this end, and that's it. We have the new rubber in our wiper blade. Again, this is the result of our installation, and I must say that by replacing the rubber itself, you don't actually have to discard of the original blade assembly. This way you can keep reusing this one. And this is actually significantly cheaper because the insert costs around $8 online, you can find them, and the whole assembly costs around $25. Now we can reinstall the whole assembly onto now our wiper arm. And our installation is complete. Replacement of the insert on the driver's side gets done exactly the same way. That's it for our installation today. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.